burning. So D, where the piston is going from the TDC to BDC, that means expansion is taking place as well as the burning is taking place. That means pressure is rising, but as the piston is moving, that means volume is increasing, so pressure could not get the chance. So this is the normal burning if it is completed normal burning. Now let us discuss about the today. There is the abnormal burning. So today we will discuss the abnormal burning. After that we will discuss some other points. So now we discussed the abnormal combustions. So abnormal combustions, what is happening? So this is my cylinder. So this is the cylinder and this is my piston and this is the flame front. So okay, the flame front is advancing and this is the more quiet zone, sunk zone, a very quiet zone, because this is near to the spark plug, quiet zone. Now the one flame front is produced and it is advancing with a velocity Vf. What will happen? So QR amount of heat will be released. I know the heat is released, this is proportional to the pressure. So higher the QR, so P will be higher. So he also not only P, so T will be also high temperature. So as a result of combustion, so pressure not only increase, the temperature of the combustion will also increase. Now what is happening? If the pressure increased and temperature is also released, so this will transfer heat. So here what is there? This is the fresh charge. Fresh charge is here. That is not yet ignited. So that will be ignited when this flame front goes and consume it. Then what will happen? But here QR has been released. So this will increase the pressure. So as a result of pressure, temperature is also increasing and this temperature and pressure will be transmitted. And what will happen? This is called end charge. Suppose this is my end charge. Means this is the end charge. That means charge at the furthest end. What will happen? So pressure is increasing, temperature is increasing, heat is transferring, as a result of which the end charge is getting compressed, because cylinder inside the cylinder pressure is increasing, so it pushes the end charges. So here the pressure and temperature is increasing. So okay, pressure and temperature is increasing. Now if the pressure and temperature is increasing, so okay, now there is here also to burn this ignited, so it is also have some ignition like 3 phases, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So here also it is have ignition lag, that means preparation time. But pressure and temperature is so high here. Why high? Because it has compressed. Who has compressed? This flame front has produced heat, and as a result of which pressure and temperature increasing, and this pressure and temperature is pressing this end charge and increasing the temperature. So here pressure is increasing, temperature is increasing. Both are increasing, but it has not ignited. Why? Because its temperature is not, this temperature is less than the self-ignition temperature. That is one term is called self-ignition temperature. That means what is the self-ignition temperature? So this is the temperature at which the fuel will take automatically ignite. But once the temperature here exceeds the self-ignition temperature, and also the ignition lag, it is more than the self-ignition, then what will happen? If the self-ignition temperature is more, then what will happen? This end charge will ignite. How it will ignite? It is not due to this flame front. Flame front has done nothing. Flame front has done nothing. কেউ মিউট করে দিচ্ছে নাকি আমাকে? ওকে ওকে ঠিক আছে hello so now what is happening, so this end charge pressure is increasing, temperature is increasing, and this temperature is greater than, now what is happen, this temperature is greater than self ignition temperature. Then what will happen, there will be fire, here automatically there will be fire. If the fire is there, so one flame front will produce here one flame front will produce. So this flame, there is another flame front. So this is the flame front. Why this flame front has produced? Because due to the pressure and temperature very high, this temperature is more than the self ignition temperature. So there is another flame front is produced. So one flame is coming this sides, so it will produce another flame. So this will also travel like that. So one flame is going this sides like that. So this is the main flame front, this sides, and another flame front has produced. Why? Due to self ignitions. So it is going another flame velocity. Why from the rear end? Why this is happening? Because it has ignited. How it is ignited? Because due to the pressure, high pressure and temperature, the self ignition temperature is more, then it catches fire. So one flame front is going this sides, another flame front is going this sides. What will happen? They will collide with each other. There will be, when they two flame front means two waves are coming in opposite direction. One is this sides and another is this sides. What will happen? They will collide and they will produce the vibrations, and they will produce the tremendous amount of vibration and noise. So this happening is called knocking in SI engine. So okay. So knocking is what? So knocking is a process where the tremendous amount of vibration and noise is produced in the IC engine, in the cylinder, due to which, why? Because two flame fronts from two opposite sides collide each other and produces this detonation. This is also called detonations, and this detonation causes knocking, and as a result of there is a noise and vibration. So there is another important phase here you have to understand. Suppose now I have to prevent these things to be understand. Now I have to prevent the knocking. So because prevent knocking has some undesirable things. What is the undesirable things? So what is the effects of the knocking? Effects of the knocking, if we understand that it will produce vibrations, it will produce noise, and due to vibration and noise, engine failure, not is the engine failure, bearing failure, engine and bearing failure, engine and bearing failure, that's the jerking. So jerking means vibration, all these things. So okay, main things in there will be so effects. So this is undesirable, knocking is undesirable. Now so this has to be prevented. So knocking has to be prevented in the spark ignition engine, SI engines. So now let us see, let us draw it in a bigger way. This engine is there, the engine is there, one flame front is going this sides. So this is the end charge, this charge is sitting at the end of the farthest point. Now it has some ignition lag. Suppose this ignition lag, practically it is very very less, but for understanding purpose I am understanding ignition lag is 5 seconds. Suppose ignition lag is 5 seconds. Okay. So ignition lag is 5 seconds. So that means to ignite it will take 5 seconds, because preparation time is 5 seconds. But what will happen if the Vf reaches here within 4 seconds. Within 4 seconds. Then what will happen? So that means that flame is proceeding and reaches here within 4 seconds. But since ignition lag is 5 seconds. Will this catch fire? No, because its ignition lag is 5 seconds. So it will take 5 seconds to ignite. But Vf velocity already has reached this portion 4 seconds. Because before it gets prepared for ignitions, the flame front has reached there and consumes the discharge. So that means there will not be any flame front here. So that is the important thing. So ignition lag is a very important thing. So if the ignition lag, so the Vf reach less than the ignition lag, then there will be no detonations. But suppose ignition lag is 5 seconds, but here it takes 8 seconds. So for हम इसको इधर से इधर जाने में 8 सेकंड लगेगा, but ignition lag is 5 seconds. So before it reaches, it catches fire. So there will be flame front will be there, and this flame front will go these sides. So in the fuel, so that means fuel is very important here. So fuel, two things are there. If I see, two things are there. One is the fuel type. That is one is the auto ignition or self ignition temperature. And the ignition lag. Suppose I take a fuel, that is a petrol whose ignition temperature is very low, and ignition lag is also low. Then there is a high chance of knocking, because ignition temperature is low, very fast it will catch fire, and also ignition lag is very small. That means immediately it will prepare himself. If it is ignition lag 2 seconds, that means what? Ignition lag is 2 seconds means,